Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena, and today, since it is the third Sunday of Advent season, I have decided to show you a recipe that you can make and have this Christmas. This is a recipe of jam-filled butter cookies, or you can also call it thumbprint cookies. Not only for Christmas, but you can also make these cookies and have it at any time of the year. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now let's get started. So to make these cookies, you require 1 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of butter, 2 egg yolk, half a cup of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a cup of jam, and like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. In a large bowl, take the butter and the sugar. Make sure that your butter is in room temperature, which means that it should not be melting or too hard. Beat them together for 2 to 3 minutes till it turns light and fluffy. Don't forget to scrape the edges of the bowl using a spatula while doing so. Add in 1 yolk at a time and beat it in. Then add in the vanilla essence and beat it till it is combined. Add the flour mixture into the butter mixture in 2 batches and mix it with a spatula. Knead the dough with your hands till it comes together to form a ball. Take about 1 tablespoon of the dough and make balls of it and place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now refrigerate it for about 1 or 2 hours. For the filling, here I am using Kisan mixed fruit jam. You can use the jam of your choice. The jam will be very thick once you take it out of the container. So stir it continuously with a spoon till the jam turns into a smooth paste. You can also microwave it if you wish. Use your thumb or any other object to make a thumbprint effect on the cookies. Take about half a teaspoon of jam in the center of the cookies. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once the cookies are out of the oven, let them cool completely on a wire rack and then you're done with it. Dust some icing sugar over the cookies. This is totally optional. You can store these cookies in an airtight container for 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.